I'm actually getting a video. These are so cute. Yeah. Oh.
And please, how much is this?
That one is 200.
Hey.
Yeah, favorite is 300.
100. I know why people are always laughing. That's
Yeah. When you have good eye, that's what happens.
This is also 80.
This color, man. I want this.
Oh my god.
That's 300. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
This is nice. These things are so cute. Look at this. This bowl. But they didn't cry. Auntie, were they handmade?
Yes, homemade.
So you did them? Or you?
No, it's my brother.
Oh, he should have been here.
Like you ask questions.
Yes.
You can ask me. I can answer.
So how did he do the bowls?
It's a raw wood.
Okay.
So the wood, before you get the shape, it passes through machine. So after the machine, people should come and buy for us.
He likes red. Red is his favorite color.
Are those eggs?
Scrambled eggs.
What eggs are they?
Don't talk about what you're gonna do. Don't just dream about what you're gonna do. Don't criticize somebody else for what they're not doing. You be it. Be about it. Be about that action and go do it. Keep your eye on your intention. Don't let any outside distraction or your own insecurity stop you from your goals.
Like you
Put in
know,
that
I
work.
was doing an
There may be
adventure.
more failures than victories.
Okay, I'm done.
Yes, I've been blessed to have 24 Grammys, but I've lost 46 times. Please don't ever feel entitled to win. Just keep working harder. Surrender to the cards you are dealt. It's from that surrender that you get your power. Losing can be the best motivator to get you even bigger wins. So never compare yourself to anyone else. There will be wins and losses. There will be tears and laughter. You'll feel the shades of life deeply. Now with success comes challenges. With your wins, you may start to notice
Brasa will
people
be like
spending a
those-
lot of energy trying to tear
yeah.
you down. Try not to take it personally. Unfortunately, it's something that comes along with
Come on.
embrace that struggle. Surviving that struggle will strengthen you from your goals. Know that you're about to make the world turn. I see you.
Hey, we are
You
done.
are everything the world needs.
I've been an SD girl. Nasty, nasty.